Marine Solutions by Marine Data Solutions delivers unmatched performance for yacht internet systems. Trusted across the industry, MDS is known for speed, security, and reliability, no matter where your vessel operates. Their advanced MDS Blender Marine Network Router bonds up to 4 internet sources into a 1 Gbps unified connection. This offers seamless Starlink maritime cybersecurity and reliable switching between networks. At the core of many installs is the Peplink Max BR1 Pro 5G router and modem. It's built for high-speed marine-grade LTE and 5G connectivity. MDS offers the Starlink Flat High Performance Kit Gen 3 video conference bundle. This includes one Starlink Flat High Performance Kit Gen 3, one Peplink Max BR1 Pro 5G, and one MDS Blender. This bundle delivers speeds between 500 and 800 Mbps, perfect for streaming, conferencing, or working remotely while offshore. Also available is the Starlink Performance Kit Gen 3 wedge mount. This includes the Gen 3 Starlink router with PoE at no charge and offers speeds up to 450 Mbps. Whether you're outfitting a 30-foot tender or a 300-foot super yacht, Marine Solutions by MDS delivers engineered internet performance that just works. Call 954-859-7092 or visit the Marine Data Solutions shop to explore the full range of maritime connectivity solutions.